Alrighty, so we bought this garlic press. I want to see how it works. It comes with this, which is supposed to peel your garlic for you. So let's see how well that works. Put it in, roll it around. Supposed to get rid of the garlic peel. Huh. If you look at that, wow, I am impressed. It's probably the best I have. Oh, wow. This one didn't quite get done, but it would have gotten completely done. Oh, wow. That worked really well. So I really like this garlic peeler. Saves me a lot of work, just and it's done. Next, we can crush the garlic. That's always the thing that I don't like is crushing garlic. I usually use a grater, cheese grater. I've used other things too. What else have I used? I've used a cheese grater. I've used a garlic press, one of those things. And now we're using, it's supposed to be a garlic press. Just rock it back and forth, having a look. Trying to make sure it's all flat there so the garlic's completely flattening. Okay, takes a little bit of work. But I prefer that over my garlic press, my cheese grater. There we go. And it also comes with this knife. This knife is to scrape it off. Get your little garlic right there. Look at all that garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. Expertly crushed for whatever you're going to use. And you might wonder, wow, but look at all that garlic that's still left. Yes, there is. Oh, I can clean off. Oh, actually, it cleans off pretty well because that's the peel part that didn't really crush. So I cleaned that off. You can see there's still lots of little holes though. Lots of filled with garlic. So you have your third thing, the little brush. And that can also poke out all the garlics for you. Get more garlic, helps you for cleaning as well when you go to clean it. I've often used the blow technique where you blow through the holes. That's a lot of holes to blow through. Yeah, so this garlic press is fairly well designed. I am impressed because this worked really well. Peeled the garlic, the best garlic peeler I've ever seen. Don't have to worry, don't have to do the shaking thing in a bowl. Just roll it around, your garlic gets peeled very well. This press really does destroy the garlic. Makes it nice and smashed small because I always like small pieces of garlic. And that's wonderfully small for all my purposes. A knife to take it off and a little brush to clean it up in the end. So all in all, this is a really good tool if you're often crushing garlic and want crushed garlic in your dishes in the kitchen.